hopefully we in a good server, you know. Hopefully this turns out good, man. Why did I jump so soon? Very good question. Watch a legendary be on top of that big old house. I'm gonna cry. Make it, boy. No legendary. Legendary. Oh, Gura. Are they locked? I'm trying to up tilt. Bro, you gonna keep fucking running, you piece of shit? Yes, yes, he is. Dude, what does bro think this is? Get your ass back, nigga. Like, oh my god. I'm not. I'm sorry for third party. Oh, shit. Give me a free grip, man. Easy. Look at his ass. See? No! I don't know! Fuck! I clicked my Windows button on accident. Oh, now he wants me? Hey, look, bro. Now that you want me, I'm gonna make sure I run for the rest of the game. Yup. This. Ah! Yeah, I got Gura in this bitch. What? Boom. Yeah. I want all the smoke. Oh yeah. Got him, nigga. Minka. Mocha. Kablinka. Kasinka the Dinka. Oh shoot. You slick, nigga. Fuck up. Fuck back, boy. Oh shoot. Oh, his firework. Not firework, but they flipping. How was I not getting hit by the storm? Oh yeah, he better run. I got that firework miss. Oh shit. That was probably not a good idea. Get back. I know, bro, low. Man, that took a lot of stamina. Yeah. You think you slick? Hey, nigga. It's not that I'm finna like die from health. That I'm finna lose from fucking stamina. That's the problem. Let's go. Hurry. Oh, wait. Perfect. Come up here. Oh, shit. Oh, GG. Oh, shit. Oh, I have no stamina. That's bad, that's bad. Nah, I promise you ain't getting up. You better start running. This storm's right here. You better start running, boy. Yeah. Wait, why is he not skedaddling? That's my question. Skedaddle. You can just skedaddle up here. Like. I think bro dumb. I think bro's dumb. It's just skedaddle up here. What are you doing all this for? Come on, man. I just heard a mirror. Fuck. I have to kill that mirror. Oh yeah. I messed that boy up. That nigga's hacking. That nigga's. Wait, is he hacking? Oh. In that case, I'm sorry, bro. I didn't even mean to do all that, bro. I apologize. Damn. That bro dead. That was so messed up what I did, bro. Perfect block that bitch. Stop. He's gonna go, yo, watch. I got you, bro. Don't worry. Let me yo. Hey, let me in. Come on, use your okay. No. Ah! Is it gonna hit him? Right. Oh shit. Grab him! No shit. Oh wait. I could've used my counter. I forgot I had a counter. I don't use this fruit, bro. Fuck. No. I forgot I had a counter. Bro, now I'm pissed. What's bro? Not good. Aren't you hacking? like wait. Are you actually hacking? Wait, what? I would have still died though. There was no point. Not good. Aren't you hacking? Well, GG, bro. GG. Thank you for watching the video. That was kind of stupid of me, bro. I should have used come at me, bro. But I told you I don't know how to use this. It's like my first time ever using this thing. I like that ass don't know how to use that. But don't forget Gura again. I know what to do. Don't worry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Wow. You never see it come back.